Welcome to all. Here is an opportunity from the uh, Cloud Software Group company. The job role is Associate Software Engineer. The location is Bangalore. So కంపెనీ గురించి ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశారు అండ్ the position will require a talented, highly motivated and collaborative software engineer to work on innovative technologies within the Citrix workspace app engineering team. Job description కూడా మెన్షన్ చేశారు. ప్లీజ్ go through it and skills కూడా మెన్షన్ చేశారు. Typically requires a university degree or equivalent experience and less than 2 years prior relevant experience. So the freshers can apply for it. The link is provided in the description box. Interested students can apply for it and share to your friends also to get or to grab the opportunity. That is the matter. Thank you.